Hey, Max here. I am creative engineer at Zoom, and I would like to showcase Zookeeper. What is Zookeeper? Zookeeper is the chat ML-powered agent inside of the Design Studio 3D modeling software. And the cool thing about Zookeeper, it can guide you all the way from the actual task through 3D modeling and validation and all the way to actual manufacturing. So it can generate RFQ for you, find the local shops, and I'll even like make advices on how to manufacture this part. So let me show you. So the first step is actually you have a task, right? You have a task and you would like to create something, generate geometry, or maybe even ask around. So you can ask Zookeeper to actually generate or help you to understand what are the next steps for you to like work and create this part. The good thing here is that you can create geometry without even knowing the minimal thickness and parameters, because instead of calculating these things yourself, you can rely on the software to do it for you. So I've got the part, and the part already works for parameters I've set. Now we can edit it. Zookeeper is selection aware, so you can just select whatever you would like to edit. And yet again, instead of specifying the size of the hole and the clearance, I can rely on Zookeeper to find out the right solution. Without specifying any exact dimensions, I've got the part that just works. Now I can double check the properties. There are tools like mass, volume, surface area, and even center of mass. Properties are fine, but I would like to manufacture it now. And how? Okay, water jet seems to be the best option, so good. I know how to do it, but where? Nice. I have the part. I know how to make it and where to make it. Now I need a quote. So, here's the mail. The best thing about Zookeeper is that it guides you from A to B, from receiving the task to actually manufacturing the part, or creating geometry, editing geometry, validating, scoping, all the stuff you need, and everything is context aware. So it will look at the model you have and give you all the advices based on that context. If you have any questions, drop them under this video or Discord or X, and we are happy to answer them.